Okay guys, let's get started for another training. Today we are going to be looking at 3D animation film. Okay, let's dive in. Choose your aspect ratio and go to media. Choose color white. Resize it and make sure you extend it to like 10 seconds. Extend it to like 10 seconds. Then go to, you can bring in the logo. If you want the logo without the system, without using this particular one. Okay, you can bring this logo in. Resize it, make sure it is placed at the middle. And resize, open the logo, the timeline to match up with the white color background you have used. Okay, now let's go to layer and also select media. Get another white color which will appear this way. Expand it a little bit and then rotate it just the way you are seeing on the screen. Yes, rotate it as soon as you get to that line to stop. Go to cropping. Alright, so activate the cropping and then increase the feather to 25. Go to shape and select the second option. Then back. Click on the white below and go to animation. Shift forward a bit. Click the white plus. Shift forward a bit. Click the white plus. Make sure that the image is moving as you are doing that. Then you shift gradually. Still click like that until you are finished with the white layer. Return your timeline and play to see how what you have done look like. Make sure it has this same effect. Okay. Adjust the last white layer towards the end. Make it towards the end and go to your layer and select white color again. As the playhead is there, it will just go to that place where you want it to be. Then you go to cropping. Go to cropping and adjust that white layer just the way you are seeing it. The feather, take it to the end. Bring it down. Then go to cropping. Shift it a little bit. Click on the one at the top. A little bit like that. The one at the top. Click the plus at the top. To shift, then shift it a little bit like that. Let the process continue. Let the process continue until it gets to that edge. And then you watch. Rotate it. After this, rotate it this way so that it will be slanty. Rotate it this way so that it will be slanty. As you have slanted it, still use the crop tool. Okay, so it will up down. So drag it front and back. So see how it is, what you have painted actually look like. So that's it. Then click on the layer present, that's the white one. You go to blending. You click on screen and reduce it to 50%. Reduce it to 50% and click OK. So now let's look at what you have done. Click on the play. That's the first effect. The second one goes up and also the slanted effect comes down. So after you have seen what you have done, you have adjusted, you have seen everything, just adjust the two clips under to make sure that they are aligned together. Then you you export your what you have created. So after exporting, you go back and create a new project. So you're welcome to the new project. Choose 16.9 as we did for the first clip. Then go to your media. I will send this template to you. Like I promise, it's going to be free. I'm supposed to sell it, but take it for free. So I'm sending it. That very template is what you'll be using. So bring it to the timeline and make sure you take it to not the middle, but to that level where you see the blue button joining. Then you go and import that project you did last. You also import it. Yes. So this is the way to appear. You go to blending while highlighting it and click on multiply. So once you click on multiply, shift back and play your clip. We have our logo, we have our 3D animation also. So that's it for this very course. Megabright, I remain. Thank you very much. See you in the next course.